Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Sign into the user account with permission to change accessibility settings. Open Settings or Control Panel and search Accessibility or Ease of Access so you land on the correct pane. Once visible, locate the specific screen reader listed, VoiceOver on Mac, Narrator on Windows, TalkBack on Android, and note whether it's enabled via a toggle, keyboard shortcut, or an accessibility app so you know the next control to act on. Now disable the feature directly. Flip the screen reader toggle off in accessibility or use the documented keyboard shortcut. For Windows, check Control plus Win plus Enter. For Mac, use Command plus F5. And for Android, use the accessibility shortcut. If it's a separate app, open App Settings and stop or uninstall it. Make sure to apply or save changes. Once done, check briefly that speech stops and menus behave normally. If the toggle re-enables, finish by restarting the device so the change persists across sessions. Many screen readers reinitialize on boot if not fully disabled. Then inspect startup items and any accessibility shortcuts so the feature won't auto-enable. Disable those entries. If narration continues, reset accessibility settings to defaults or create a new user profile to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily boot in safe mode to stop background accessibility apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.